So this area here, this is going to be, at the minute there's 3 guys just staying here for security, and they're just living here at the minute just to keep everything safe. This is going to be the main sitting area for the children. And then over here, we're going to have like a kitchenette against the wall, and then against this wall here, there's going to be a breakfast bar with lots of stools. So this is quite a big size here. So this will be the sitting area for all of the children that live here and for the house mum. As you move through the house, in here, this is going to be a toilet here, and then we're going to have a basin here, and in here is going to be the shower. And then through this way here, this is going to be a bedroom for the house mum. And through here, this is going to be where the children are going to have their bunk beds. And that extra bit of wall here, that's going to be for built-in wardrobes the whole way across to keep the children's clothes and things. And then, as I say, the children are going to stay here. There's been 3 houses, 2 houses that are nearly finished and 1 house that has the foundations done, and they're all going to be this size. And then the plan will be to maybe have babies in here, and we can have maybe cots and stuff for them. And then the other houses that are going to be built with an extra room so that more children can go into those houses. Okay, here we are making bricks for the new houses. Go on ahead, guys, keep going. So it's made out of an anthill. That's how they get the clay.
Yeah.
And then it's carried over to here. It's about 5,000 bricks, which will make 2 houses. Very good.